Police were called to a business on June 4, 2022, where they removed a woman for hitting a minor-aged employee. The woman then refused to leave peacefully.
And you're driving a car.
Drunk.
Yes, you are.
God damn.
Hey, you gotta be behind that wheel. I'm gonna charge you with DUI. Understood?
Well, I will park this shit.
No, you're not driving that car. You're not driving that car.
I'll park it right here in Uber.
No, you're not driving that car. Call someone to come pick up the car, or Uber it out. But you cannot drive this car. Understood?
You will not be a ride.
Huh? No, I can't offer you a ride. I'm working the detail here. So, and in the situation that's going on here,
I'm a pet. So you're calling me a fucking pedophile because there's a 17-year-old kid
that you hit with your chest.
I did not hit him with my chest.
Hey, lower your voice, lower your voice. And we're gonna step over here besides.
I was nowhere near him.
No, hey, I saw the video, ma'am.
What did I tell? Show me what I did.
You hit him. He's here. You're here.
No.
You walk up. You go like this, hit him, and then walk away.
I did that.
Okay. Hey, this is up for discussion. If you want to argue with them something about a refund over there,
it's not about the refund.
All right. Hey,
it's a principle.
You hit the kid with your chest. So that's battery. That is the definition. If your boyfriend's a cop or whatever, you know what battery is.
I do.
So that's battery. It's unwanted touch to somebody else who didn't want it. He did not want that touch. You touched him. He went and complained to the staff. All they want to do was get you out of there, and then they didn't even want you trespass. They just wanted you to get out of there, and then you can come back another day.
But since 2017.
Okay, but that's what happened. So listen.
So now you're not going to let me go home.
You can't drive this car.
This is my car.
You are intoxicated.
I own this car.
Yes, but you're intoxicated.
But it's mine.
So you can have somebody else come pick up the car.
How about you just turn a blind eye?
No.
And let me go.
No, I got a job to do. Like your boyfriend does. Like your boyfriend does.
And he lets me get away with murder.
Yeah, I'm not going to. I don't care.
Well, he does.
I don't care. You're not in South Daytona. You're in Daytona Beach. So.
I know. Daytona Beach.
Victor 182 Central, Florida tag.
I gotta go.
You're not driving that car, ma'am.
I'm getting my shit.
Okay.
Can I get my shit?
Florida tag. Hey.
You don't run me.
Hey.
You don't run me.
If you try getting in that car and drive it, I'm gonna take you to jail for DUI.
I'm getting my shit.
That's your best bet.
Then I'll leave my shit right here.
All right, and I will tow it.
Unless you want to.
And I will tow it.
So you're gonna tow my shit?
Get somebody to drive it.
I just got kicked out of here for no reason. You're gonna give me shit.
Lower your voice. I'm not screaming at you.
You're being a cocksucker.
Okay.
You're being a fucking cocksucker.
Okay. Grab your stuff and then get an Uber. Because if you turn this car on,
so
and
you're
get
gonna
behind the wheel,
tow my car for being parked illegally right here.
Get someone to come pick it up.
I don't have anybody. He's working. He's on duty right now.
What's his name? Because I'll happily call him over.
Joseph.
Okay.
Call him up.
I will. Give me a second. Grab your stuff and sit over there in the corner.
Tell him to come get my car.
Get your stuff and go sit over there in the corner.
You don't tell me what to do.
I will take you to jail.
You don't get to tell me what to do.
I can take you to jail, that's for sure. You want to go to jail for DUI?
I'm not in my car.
That's what I'm saying.
The car is not on.
Grab your stuff.
So you cannot.
Sit over there.
You cannot legally give me a DUI.
I mean, I can tow the car though right now because it's improperly parked.
Then tow my car. It'd be cheaper than a DUI.
Okay. Don't get behind the wheel. Do you want to grab your stuff or no? Do you want to grab
my keys? And I am not behind the wheel, so therefore it is not a DUI. That is one of the things when you date a cop, you realize it.
Okay.
So tow my car. A couple $100 tonight. Okay. Good to go.
Yeah.
Tow my shit.
Okay.
Over a ticket.
Okay.
You can blow me, you cocksucker.
No, thank you.
Blow me.
Nobody wants to do that. Go stand on the curb.
No.
Yeah.
No. Tow my car.
All right.
And if they damage it.
Florida State Statute 316.072. If you stay on the roadway after I've given you lawful order to get out of the road, I'm going to take you to jail for that. So your best bet is to go over there in the curb and wait for someone.
You're f***ing intelligent.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I don't want to turn my car on.
No. If you turn your car on, I'm taking you to jail for DUI.
I know. Hold on.
Goes in the side.
So apparently.
Is that someone coming and picking up the car?
This asshole.
Okay.
This cocksucker, who claims to be a police officer, supposed to serve and protect, is going
Is that a boyfriend?
Going to tow my car.
Victor 182 Central.
Tow my car. And I can't even show my car.
Sorry, not Central. 400 reading.
The same fat that was in the movie.
Let me get you in front of Cop Theater for one with keys.
Yeah. Welcome to my life. So he's gonna tow my car, and I'm gonna Uber back to my house where I can deal with him. Because he's being an asshole. Apparently he has no respect for the law. Or maybe he's just arrogant.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
You got your ID on you, ma'am?
Nope.
I need your ID.
I don't have it.
If you fail to provide me your ID, you're fitting to identify yourself as a law enforcement officer.
Reading the law.
Yep.
So guess what? I'm gonna call 911 on you and get you for
Hey.
sexual harassment, you piece of shit.
I got a camera right here. Hey, you're not free to go. You're not free to go. You're not free to go. You need to identify yourself because of this traffic infraction.
Get away from me.
Nope, you're not free to go. Go right there.
Get away from me.
Nope, I need you to identify yourself, ma'am, because if not, you're gonna go to jail
You
for.
can't believe this? I come to the movie theater and I'm getting harassed.
Okay. I need your ID, ma'am. I need
don't
your
have
ID. Your
one.
name. You don't have an ID? All right. What's your name?
So I'm gonna have to just tow my car and let me go. So I'm gonna have to Uber home. This is turning into a nightmare.
I'm code 4. Sorry, I didn't hear you guys call me.
I'm a nightmare. Because I got kicked out of a movie theater. This piece of shit thinks he's Johnny Law. He ain't shit.
Okay. Hey, I need you to identify yourself, ma'am.
This is my car.
Okay.
Run my tag.
Okay.
Get my
No,
name.
I need you to identify yourself. You need to be carrying.
I don't need to do shit for
Yes,
you
do.
because you're not being respectful right now.
You're legally detained.
You're not being respectful right
Says the
now.
one who's screaming.
You're not being respectful.
Have I raised my
I
voice
am
at all
not
to
my
you?
car. You said you were towing my car.
Yes, and this is a traffic infraction. Since you were the one who left it here, you're the one getting the ticket.
And I told you to tow my car.
Yeah, and
I will Uber the home.
Yeah, and I need your ID
For what?
to identify you because
You
you're the
have
one who
my
committed.
tag.
You're the one who committed the traffic infraction. Are you
For
refusing
going
to
to the movie theater? Are you serious?
Hey, are you refusing to identify yourself to a law enforcement officer?
What I'm refusing to do.
Hey, this is the only thing. You're making this a lot harder than it has to be.
No, you're being an asshole.
Hey. Okay.
What's the problem here?
You're getting cited for traffic
Because
infraction.
I stopped here.
Traffic infraction.
Because I stopped here.
Yes.
And I thought that
Don't touch
you
me.
were going
Hey,
to be
don't touch
someone
me.
that was going
Step
to
back.
help me. And you're not. You're a piece of shit.
Okay.
Just like every other cop. Like the Daytona cop that got shot in his head.
Okay. Hey, last
Just
time
like
I'm gonna
every
tell
other
you.
cop.
Do you want to? Are you gonna give me
Go.
your ID to identify yourself?
Go.
Okay.
Take my car.
All right, fair enough.
No.
Hey,
No.
hey,
No. Don't
hey.
touch me.
Another great example of a non-compliant Karen who gets to make out with the ground. Let's see what she has to say about her new situation, shall we?
All right, set up.
I hate your f***ing guts.
Okay.
You piece of shit.
Okay.
You know what? Maybe that poor cop that got shot in the face should have been you. You cocksucker.
Nope. Stay sitting down.
Because you know what? I would have loved it to be you.
Break the 182 control.
You just broke $300 glasses.
Can I get a surprise over here, please?
You piece of shit. You f***ing Puerto Rican.
No.
You want to put your hands on
You
me?
just kicked me too.
You want to put your hands on me? Go ahead. Put your mother hands on me again. You think you're stronger than me?
No.
Hey! Look at that shit! Abuse! Abuse! You're a liar!
Look at that. Look at that. Hey, do me a favor, stay over here on the side, please.
The f off me! Get off me! Get off me!
No.
You broke it, didn't you?
No.
Get off me!
All right, stand up. All right.
Oh, that's a BB?
Come on. You walking over there?
No, you just dropped my shit all over.
What's up? One second, guys.
Get the f off
All right, come
me!
on.
They're gonna steal my shit. Did,
182 Central. Don't feel much Central.
are you f***ing serious right now? Are you serious right now?
Yep.
You're really gonna f***ing do this over a f***ing movie ticket?
No, that's not why all this happened.
They're gonna steal my shit.
You're not gonna steal anything. Sit in the car.
I'm a f***ing racist bitch.
Sit in the car. Hey guys, you guys were watching the whole thing, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah. I got.
Do you guys mind doing this quick statement for me? Just basically saying what you guys
I do
saw.
not mind at all. That girl was crazy. I got half of it on video. If you need it.
Yep. I'll get that in a second. Thank you. Do you need the ambulance to come check you out for your shoulder and face?
I do.
Okay. Nope.
You
Just
piece of shit.
you're staying inside the car. Put your feet inside the car. So, she got kicked out of there for hitting a minor with her tits.
By mistake?
No. She like
Bumped the minor.
it was a full and then she's like, what? She's like, why is he complaining? So we just kicked her out because of that. She was very intoxicated. Like she was swerving over, falling and all that. Comes over here.
I'm listening to that.
Bring her when I'm calling and everything, she brought her car there. She was very intoxicated from inside. So I'm like, hey, when she gets up, huh? Alright. Starts causing the scene over there. I'm like, hey, get someone to come pick up your car and be on your way. You're not okay to drive.
That's not.
Those people behind were recording this voice.
Hang on, sit in the car, okay? You don't have to get out. Just
He's
sit
an
in the car.
asshole.
All right,
He's an asshole.
Yeah, I understand.
He smashed my face off the pavement.
All right, so what happened?
So,
All right, relax for a second.
He smashed my face off the pavement. I'm 130 pounds. Like,
Sit down.
I'm sitting. He's abusive.
so, trying to
I gotta think about my story.
Try getting her ID, asking for ID and everything. Doesn't want to identify herself. Continues. I'm like, hey, just do it. Says no.
I got
Says,
kicked
"Fuck you,
out of
fuck
here
you."
for no reason.
So when I tried to take her into custody, she starts pulling away from me, put her arms behind her, put her arms away from me. She
Freaking face
gets in
planted
her
me.
car,
Look at my face.
and then gets put on her floor, continues resisting, hitting, we're trying to kick her
Look
out.
at the side of my
And I finally
face.
put her in
He
handcuffs,
face
she's on the floor,
planted
kicks
me.
me in the groins, and continues acting like I spit at her the whole time. They have video and they're willing to do a statement too.
He's
When
an
she got
asshole.
Before this, my axon fell out halfway through, but
All right. All right, so,
So,
she wouldn't move? Is that why we're taking her?
No,
to
he
I was doing it
wouldn't.
for refusing to identify herself.
He wouldn't let me.
Because that's why initially I was trying to do
Come
it
be that white car.
so I could give her the citation for the car.
Okay. All right.
And then refused
Have a
to
seat,
do that.
please. Okay, I'm going to talk to you here in a second, okay? I'm the supervisor.
He's not nice. He hurt
I'm
me.
gonna talk to you in a
He
second,
hurt
okay?
me. He hurt me.
All right. Just relax.
Look at my face. Look at the side of my face. It was unnecessary. My shoulders. Look at my shoulder.
Ma'am,
Look at my shoulder.
Did you show me your identification yet?
Look at my shoulder from him.
Before that, did you show me your ID?
I did because it was they removed me from the theater for no reason. It wasn't even because I was drunk. They said that I made a gesture.
Hey, did you watch her pull up here? You see her pull up there? Yeah. So, under the influence, she drove the car up here.
No, he did not. He was not out here when I came out.
Well, his video will tell you
But
that.
he was not.
All right. Well,
He was not.
All right, here's what's going to happen.
Look
okay?
at what he did to me.
We're going to take pictures of it, okay? And we're going to get you checked out. But you're going to be going to jail tonight, okay?
For what?
All right?
For what?
Well, for DUI,
No.
resisting arrest.
No.
And if you keep kicking the car and break it, you're charged with that.
Are
as
you
well, okay?
serious right now?
Yes, ma'am. What's that?
You're supposed to serve and protect me. He just roughed me up.
That happens when you resist arrest.
No, I was not under arrest when he did that.
Oh, he was getting in the process of taking you into custody when you resisted.
No, he was not.
Yes, ma'am.
You're a piece of shit, you Mexican.
Sit down, ma'am, and stop before you get a hate crime attached to it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm a
And then-
racist.
and then you kicked him, so that's battery on law enforcement.
Because look what he did to my
But
shoulder.
ma'am, had you not been driving drunk,
I wasn't driving. I was
you wouldn't have
parked.
to identify yourself.
I was parked.
Well, you pulled up there and he
No,
watched you.
no, he did not. He was not in his car.
You don't have to be in your car to see you. Can
He
just
was
stand
not
there and see
in
you.
his car.
You don't have to be in the car to see you drive drunk.
Are you serious right now?
Yes, ma'am.
So you're gonna stick with him?
I'm telling you the law, ma'am.
No, you're telling me that you're boys in blue.
I'm telling you the law.
So maybe you should have been one who got shot in the head instead of that young kid.
Sit down, ma'am. Relax, okay?
No, I will not.
Do you want to be checked out medically?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Look what you did to me.
I didn't touch you, ma'am.
No, look what he did to me.
I understand.
That's his gun. Tell you what, I will take it all the way. It'll be his badge.
Please have a seat.
It'll be his badge.
Please have
You
a
don't put your hands on a woman like this.
Ma'am, please have a seat.
No.
Ma'am, please have a seat. Ma'am, can you have a
Look
seat?
at my face.
Ma'am, can you have a seat, please?
Look at my face.
Can you have a seat, please?
So how did both sides of my face get scraped?
Can you have a seat, please?
Is that what your officer?
I need you to have a seat. Relax. We're going to need medical attention for you, okay? I'm going to watch the video, okay? And if the video says something else, it says something else. We'll work it out, okay?
You've been useless. He's a piece of shit. You piece of
Ma'am,
shit.
please have a seat. You don't even need to switch hats because...
Take your badge off, you cocksucker.
That's correct. Well, she called him a Mexican piece of crap, too.
I called him all
and she
kinds of
kicked him
things.
in
Look
the
what he
junk,
did
so
to my
Barry
face
Allen.
and my shoulder. Look what he did to me.
He watched her. She got...
All right, bye.
Don't give her a hard time, okay? We'll be right here.
Yeah, it hurts.
Okay.
Oh!
Oh, your shoulder got a little scrape.
All right, we can,
Oh! It did get a little straight. It got f***ed up. Like Jesus.
nothing's broke.
I think you
Nothing's
have
broke.
an ID for her?
No, I realized something is, but Jesus.
How much have you had to drink?
Just 3 drinks. Like it's not even. It's a principle.
All right, no, I'm just finding out for medical purposes. I don't have nothing to do with it.
It's a principle. That piece of shit. That
Hey, don't try to kick anybody.
I hate you all. I hope you all get shot in the face.
Hey,
Summer, man.
stop that.
It's summer.
I hope you all die. Oh, I'm not being nice right now.
Okay.
You Mexican.
Stop it.
Stop resisting. Stop
I
it.
hope you get next one to get shots in the head.
Good. You are going to need for all sorts of stuff.
That's fine. So with that cop in your shot, I feel so bad. I hate you all.
Okay, I mean, it is what it is. That's a pretty belt. Where'd you get it at?
How about you go f yourself, you cock?
Yeah, I'm heading back over. Ryan, you good?
Hey, I got it.
Okay.
This was better than the usual ones you guys call us out for. Yeah, she tried to kick me in my nuts.
Oh, yeah, she kicked me in my nuts.
Yeah, she tried to right over here.
Saturday's always.
She doesn't know how to act.
No. And for her age?
Yeah, no.
You Mexican, you dirty f***. You dirty f***. You disgust me. I hope you get shot in the head by the next traffic stop.
Lovely. And then her boyfriend's a cop apparently in South Daytona. Yes or no? Do you want to do field sobriety exercise, see if you're intoxicated?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And you know what? Don't put me in there. Do
Well,
not
I
touch me.
have to be the one performing
I'm
them.
telling you.
You don't tell me what to do.
Not touch me. Will you stand with me?
I'm going to be there.
He's white. I trust him.
Okay.
I don't trust you. You already slammed me. You bruised me. You maimed me.
Okay. Would you be willing to do
Under
the...
arrest anyway?
Yeah, she's...
We can
Well,
take her.
then I don't have to do it.
Okay.
We can take her.
So you don't want to do
If
what?
I'm going to jail anyways,
Yeah.
then whatever.
So you don't want to?
Then what's the difference?
Do you want to? Do you? Okay. Listen, you can perform them or you don't have to. It's yes or no. And if you don't want to do them, I am going to offer you the breath test. Do you want to? Do you want to submit to a test of your breath?
I'm fucking tired of this.
So what do you want to do?
Do you want to do breath test? Yes or
It's
no?
all your fault, you piece of shit.
Okay.
No.
Yes or no?
No. Yes or no, answer the question. Okay? Do you want to perform field sobriety exercises? And if you don't, do you want to give a breath test?
If I'm going to jail either way, I don't want to do any of it.
Okay. So that's a no for both.
Get the away from me. You're a get away from me.
No. You know what he is?
He's a
He is probably the best trainer.
no,
I've ever
he's
had.
not. He's not.
Absolutely
He's not.
he is.
He's trying to make a name for himself. He's actually a cunt. Just wait. Wait till I make a complaint, you piece of shit.
Okay. My sergeants are here.
It's fine. You think you're the only one I complain to? You think that your sergeants are the only higher-ups? I
Well,
think
we are for
the marks right now, in the moment that you're living in, yes. But the reality of it is, your badge, I can say decertified. You can be decertified.
Yeah.
I know plenty of people.
Do you?
My boyfriend is a South Daytona cop.
Isn't he retired?
No. I'm not telling you, but I'll tell you what. I know that your decertification depends on your conduct.
Sit down. Sit down.
And that it can be taken from the smallest of things.
If you enjoyed today's body cam, be sure to leave a like and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe as we will post more body cam footage every week.